take it.
We are in the process, guys. That's how we are doing. So we want the white part. The white part, that's what we need now.
Yes. Mambo ni faster. Cooking. Si bohe. Bash. Check it. The cook. Yeah, man. This is the Birenge now, guys. Yeah, the Birenge. Yeah, man. Alright. What's up? Yeah, what's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Yes. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Jamaican Boy Africa. Please, if you are new, if it's your first time to see this face here, it's your first time to see this face here, guys, kindly please, I'm rotting to 3,000 subscriber. Yeah, I'm rotting to 3,000 subscribers, so kindly please, guys, yeah, if you are new in this face, make sure you subscribe, comment, leave the very sweet comment and the like. Yeah, yes, and the like. Right now I'm just here in my village, just preparing for you a very amazing content, guys. Yeah, you my supporter, you my everything. You people watch my video, Jamaican Boy Africa here. Yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa, and I'm very happy for this moment. I'm very happy for this good day. Yeah, this is a good day, very nice day. Yeah, I'm very happy to meet you again in this latest video, this very amazing video. Yeah, let me remove this. Okay, so today, guys, yeah, I'm here, just want to entertain you. Do you want entertainment, guys? Yeah, Jamaican Boy Africa, loving baby, oh baby, yeah, I'm right now here. Yeah, man. Yeah, somehow artist, somehow content creator, somehow big man from village, Jamaican Boy here, man. Yeah, man. Oh baby. Yeah, somehow artist, oh baby girl. Sometimes if I never hear from you, I can be very sad. Oh baby. Okay, you my good people. Yeah, kindly, I'm very happy, as you can see right now. Yeah, in this very amazing video, I'm very happy, very happy. As you can see, I'm in somehow bush, but not bush. Yeah, this is the way which is passing here. So I'm on the way passing in some bushes. Yeah, going to center. I'm going to my near center here, Masaba. I'm here. Yeah, Masaba, but I'm by the way in Nyabohanse village. Yeah, but in my Masaba center to buy a Birenge, guys. Do you know Birenge? Yeah, Birenge is what we call legs of a cow. Have you ever eaten the legs of something? Legs of a cow, legs of goats, legs of what? Legs of a camel, legs of a donkey, legs of Elephant legs, legs. You know, you know, some people they do throw. Some people they throw the legs of something. You don't have to throw. No needs. You don't have to throw, guys. You have to eat everything, even tails. So, big people, my people. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here on the way, going to buy the legs of the cows so that I can cook for family. I'm going to show you how to prepare the legs and how to prepare it. Don't throw legs of cows. Legs of the cows, it has value, guys. Do you know that? Legs, okay, I can just tell you a story of legs. Oh my god, you know. Oh baby girl, I can see the wind is blowing from east to west. Look the maze, how it's going. Look the maze here. Yeah, look the maze, how it's going. Right now here, today I've decided to start my vlog from this point here. You know, I'm behind the center. I'm behind the center. This is Masaba, guys. Yeah, this is Masaba. No Gorofa here. Yeah, but it's very amazing center. It's in Birenge. It's in Birenge, and it's amazing center. It have everything, but not all thing. So kindly, guys, stay tuned and watch till the end. The video is very amazing, baby. You my people. You my people. I do love you. You my people. You my supporter. I do love you the way you support me. If you are the new in this channel, kindly, guys. Yeah, watch, subscribe, comment, like till the end, guys. Yeah. And everything can be okay right now here. Almost. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I'm here. This is the back. This is the back way. Back street way. This way is going this way, and you know, there is MCA office there, guys, and the tarmac road is there. One is going to my home and the one is going this way. Yeah, so I'm almost to my place. I want just to go and buy the legs of the cow, guys, and take it, you know. Yeah, today I'm going to cook. Today I'm the one who I'm going to cook for my family. So kindly, guys, stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah, watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, let me pass here. I'm going to pass in this way. Yeah, this is the chum of the center. That's so crazy here. Hey, tata. Hey, unapigiwa. How are you? Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, tata. Oh. Onkaribishire. Okay. Obohene. Guys, indo miguu ya ng'ombe sasa. Umebino no mwene nkuya kubiheka. Mwene. Hey, process borenda bikore. Bakanso kip. Sana. Amor. Sasa unaweza niuzia? Haya. Sasa acho niuzie nikipiga video. Okay, so kindly guys, I'm here with Inyani. Yan, the big boy. Yeah, you know we really go in one church with Inyani. So Inyani, mimi najua leo kwa sababu wewe ni mshirika wangu, utanifanyia vizuri, si ndio? Hai. So sasa si nataka nyanya na kitunguu, nataka vitu zitapika kerenge na sukuma wiki. Hauna ile ya kushika? Iko. Ya kushika pia utaniwekea. Boke. Yeke. Poa. So kindly guys, I'm here in our small market called Masaba Market. So I want just to do a shopping here so that Ian can Ian leo ndo muuzaji wangu hapa kwa kibanda. Ian, I can see you have everything. You have cereal, you have vegetable, you have yeah, everything. So what I want is a tomato. You just keep for me a tomato of 100 bob. Nyanya moja unauza ngapi? Nyanya za 20 ni? Nyanya za 20 ni 3. Okay, niweke nyanya za 100. Yeah, so I think that shopping it can take me a long 1 week. Hizo nyanya zitamaliza wiki, si ndio? Unaniwekea vinyanya gani? Mimi nataka manyanya bwana. Hey. Ine 50. Yake. Buyore. Yeah, this my friend too here. Yeah. Tanto. Sasa hizi ndio 23. Mura.
Hapo ni ile 50.
Mpaka wiki ishe. Haya, nichukulie basi kubwa. Wewe unaniwekea nini hizo vitu vidogo? Wono hata ukweliri kana nirike. Tingu change. Yes, niweke hizi. So kindly you have to select guys. You have to select. Yeah, hizi ni rimau, si ndio? Yeah, kindly I'm in Masaba Market here. I've already shown you my the Birenge, you know, Birenge mura. Birenge nkuya kuiheka Mungu. Mungu moja. So yeah, it's here. Hizo ni za ngapi? 8. Haya, leta juara ingine. These eggs is the eggs guys. Hii ni kitunguu saumu. How we tunaweza ita aje in English? You don't know? Haumu guys. Yeah, this haumu. Kitunguu saumu. So look how our market is very nice. Our market, even leo ni siku ya soko. Oh my God, today is market day. Market day. Yeah, today is market day here in our village. So market day. Hizo kwani umenichagulia? Aya, niongeze basi. Yeah, addition. Tunaita nyongeza. Tanya ingeria mura. Yeah, big up. Yeah, here to do my shopping, my 1 week shopping. Sasa, alafu nataka hizi. Ndimu pia si zinaweza wekwa kwa supu ya birenge. I want this is called lemons. Yeah. Niweke limau. Yeah, limau ni ngapi? Yeah, man, limau ni 10. Hiyo ni ndogo mura. Niweke hiyo. Na vitunguu. Onion. Ndio hizo. Kindly guys, yeah, I'm here doing shopping. 1 week shopping. Stay rudi hapa mpaka nimalize week. You know guys, yeah, you have to take with the greens. You have to balance diet. Unafundishwanga kuhusu balance diet. Yeah, balance diet. You have to balance diet in your body. So I have to take a kales here. Today I don't want staki hiyo sukuma imekatwa. No, I want just go and chop it myself. I want to chop it myself, okay? Amujui chop ni nini? Lydia. Oh, that is Lydia. Yes. She's my friend too. So niekea 2020. I want for 20 bob. Tiga kontore skumengo tumara. Imbura ya atwa.
Mubaso.
Ata imbura ya atwa. So I have to take kales so that I can take with it. Yeah, this is water. Hii ndio maji munatumia. Pamori muchenji. Kagunda. Yeah, so kindly guys, I'm here in my small market. I want just to make a 1 week shopping, guys. Yeah, very nice market, you know. Yeah, as you can see, we have greens, we have bananas, you have vegetable, everything you want, which is greens, you can just, you can just get it in this our small market. We have even a small fish. We call it omeno. Is there, guys? Omena. Do you know this small fish here? Yeah, we have even a watermelon is here. Very nice. Very nice. We have even a cabbage. Yeah, so kindly stay tuned. I'm here to do a shopping, and I'm here to buy ingredients which I'm going to fly with it. Birenge, we call it birenge here in a local language, but zinaitwa aje kwa Kiingereza? Birenge. Yeah, we call it legs of cows, guys. You know, don't throw eggs of cows. The legs of cows, not nimesema eggs. Not eggs, legs. Yes, legs. Na nimenunua mingi birenge ine, hizo nakula siku mbili. Okay. Hii ni ya 20. Muratanye ingeri, yani wengu change. Yeah, let me take this shopping bag. Hizi hazikuangi ngumu. Hizi. Uniweke hapa nyanya na hii, ama nichukue ile ya 30. Hii ni 10 bob. Ya 30 ndio itabeba virenge, bebe sukuma na kila kitu. Okay, nipe ile ya 30. Yeah, so kindly here I'm buying this is up. I think virenge saizi taiva kweli tukule lunch. Mpaka jioni. Okay. This is for supper, guys, because it's late. The time imeenda sana. It's late. Si ungetanguliza nyanya? Yeah, this onion, lemon, peri hoho. I have buy how is it called? Inaitwa aje? This is hoho. Peri hoho, guys. Yeah. Hiyo ni ngapi? Eka sukuma. Alafu nitafutie change. So I want to take the oil, cooking oil. Nieke basi hiyo mafuta. Fanta kubwa ni ngapi?
150.
Yes, Fanta kubwa. I want Fanta kubwa. Nipimie Fanta kubwa. This is hii inaitwanga aje kwa Kiingereza? No, it has a ikona jina Dania, but in our local language is Dania. This piripiri hoho. Mimi nitaenda ni download nizijue. Kweli kabisa sijui kwa Kiingereza. I don't know how it's called in English. If you know it in English, kindly just comment there. A sweet comment. Tell me how is it called. This onion, this tomato, guys. This orange. This is mango. Eggs. Everything is found here in unaitwanga mama nani? Mama Happy. Yeah, when you come here to buy ingredients, guys, kindly come to Mama Happy here. These carrots, and she have cooking oil, everything, eggs, cabbage, everything you can find here in Mama Happy. Nipe change bus. So kindly, let me go. I'm going to cook birenge. Birenge zinaekwanga mafuta kweli Mama Happy. Yeah, this carrot. Sasa acha nieke. Hii nimebaki tu na transport. Akipesi na ishanga haraka. Nilikuwa Mungu eti ni 1000. 1000 na birenge. Eti 1000 imeisha. What is this? Kenyan money is very less money, guys. Kenya, pesa ya Kenya siku hizi si pesa. Eti this 1000 guys. Hata sioni kitu imefanya. Okay, tutaambe tu. Yes guys, kindly on the way going home. Look. Gonna be Birenge. Yeah, on the way going home, guys. Yes. I'm already arrived here. I'm already in my home, guys. Kindly. I am Bentorama. Tagera uhaji gutiro right. Hey. Yes, the Birenge is here. Leo tena Birenge hapa. Guys. Ndio mmetoka.
Nilitoka saa muda kamaisha.
Tia yako. Alienda mjengo leo.
Nienda naye shambani akarudi akasema anaenda kuangalia
charge ya laptop. Ameenda Migori. Okay, guys, I'm already here. Yeah, with some birenge here, so I want to prepare it. I have already arrived home here. Yeah, and this is what I've bought. This is what I'm going to prepare, guys. There are four of them. Yes, so this daga, guys, this small fish. Yeah, so kindly I'm here finding the firewood. I'm here finding the firewood so that I can go and start preparing the legs, preparing the legs. Maraba, preparing the legs of a cow. Yeah, I want to prepare legs of a cow. Legs of a cow. Simu?
Simu ndo meisha.
Ili ilikuanga kitambo. Kama haratoki ingesiru. Ukweli wala wako serious yero na biashara. What? Ukweli masaba. Yani kaongeza tu soze yenyewe. Mbona? Oh, eti varu 5 sikia. Na vichungi 6. Hizo zingine zote. Eti vichungi 200. Kichungi ya nyanya inauzwa 50. Ni 50. 120.
Bodo uko unauza 90.
Tuachia.
Tunaikare Mungu. Enda. Bruno. Ubuya niga, tebara tutise. Nyori nkare. Tamanyere yake toga ko.
Sasa kwa muni chibasi chenyu mwa.
Haki ya Mungu ingekueti sasa. Iga toga sabere ya marwa.
Ndio kalisi.
Sasa nakaga aracha kwa temuru hii.
Hapo kwa ule baru.
Kia gote ziga unakunywa nini?
Keg.
Nilikwambia utateseka hii masava. Kunywa keg.
Baba yake alikuanga polisi, lazima tu angeenda.
Lakini wameuza la.
Aliuza shamba.
Aliuza shamba.
Yeah, so kindly guys, we are here just preparing the jiko. So we want just to prepare this one here, marenge. Do you know this? This is the birenge, guys.
It's birenge.
Yeah, it's birenge. This is birenge. Birenge of the cow, guys. So today, you know this, when you prepare this one, it have very bad smell. Boya ni birenge biranyunga. Kwanza no kubirura. Hey. So kindly guys, I'm here just want to prepare. If you are there and when you just slaughter the cow, you throw this. Don't throw this. Hoofs. They do slaughter the hoofs. If you slaughter the hoofs, make sure you cook this. You know this, miki tunajua birenge. Ile dawa na dunganga ng'ombe. Haifikangi kwa birenge.
Ni nzuri sina saidianga hata nini.
Inafikanga hapa hivi. Kwenda juu.
Tafanyanga
this is the natural meat. We have it now in Africa. Yeah, kindly here I'm just na washa jiko bwana kwa kiri chiko kana yato.
Bruno na wote hivi na manye kiingereza kwa.
Kuna anti.
Sasa tu lighting the
Lighting.
Okay, lighting the jiko.
Sawa.
Look guys, the village life is very wamuri hard.
Bakoto keroni ukiwa.
Okay guys, welcome back to Mandela's YouTube channel. My name I go by the name Bruno Sheriff. This is my first video coming to your channel. All right. Okay guys, we are here at the village. He came today to visit Jamaican boys. He welcomed us. Today we are going to help him to prepare the hooves. Show them the hooves. Both of them.
Show them the hooves.
And we have the four boys.
Ni hooves. Kwani hooves sisi ni mnyama?
Those eggs are called hooves.
Kuna hooves na
Yes, they are called hooves. Yes.
Guys, kindly have
okay, guys, as I told you, I go by the name Bruno Sheriff. I'm a content creator too. Go check me out. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go subscribe, comment and share.
Utakamba mengora. Ukambe ngora. Wangu hili.
Hata mpaka igo.
Okay guys, show them the way we are putting them on the lighting fire, the smoke. You wanna remove the feathers. The feathers.
There's the feathers.
The feathers.
Okay,
yes,
okay, you can show them.
Yes.
You can show them the feathers. I think feathers ni machoha ya kuku ama ni machoha ya kuku ndio feathers.
So guys, this is what we are going to eat today. It's just a natural meat from the cow, cow feet. These are cow feet. So we are going to cut into 3 pieces. 1, 2 and 3 over here. So we are going to make it so clean. We wash it, then we boil, then we drink the soup from the legs. Yes, these legs are very soft. They're not hard. So guys, watch this video until to the end. Yeah, it's all right. So
the
like
video is very amazing.
Bring the knife for scribing like this. We scrub.
Okay, the knife.
Yes.
Okay.
Bakabi guruke.
I show them the way it stands. When it's burned, it stands black.
Guys, you know it's very dangerous.
Ishunana la utumaza kiwizo.
Tahiki hangi mbele. Tahiki hangi kabisa bama hekirege ko.
Kusi mnache kamera.
Niko pa hanje.
Yo biru de kya kuma bantu bara pipa ko tenya kubisara bara libintu bigima bara.
Oh bara.
Wale ni wa South Africa man.
Sijini wa South Africa.
Wanajua Kiswahili.
Na wale watu bana wanakula hadi mongo.
Wale wanajua Kiswahili. Wa TZ wale wana.
Nani ukweli wanakulanga zile vitu?
Wale wanachoma yani. Hata nyama mbichi wanakula.
Sasa hii unafaa unawageuzia hivi ndo wanaona.
So guys, that's how we do it. Stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Today we have an amazing content for you. Yes.
Tange dao. Irime.
Stay tuned guys, stay tuned guys. Tunaanza bana bila. Hili chiko dongo pale. Anataka tamu hiyo Mungu moja. It's for like so. Baka sambiri bu. Jamaican boy. Bring the knife, man. Leta kisu. I don't know, guys. The smell is attracting the neighbors. It smells a lot. The smoke.
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. So the neighbors are going to visit us very well, guys. Yes.
Manini kongo kako.
Yeah, Bruno.
Yeah.
Kuja bas. Bruno Sheriff is here.
Yes.
You know, he's the one who knows how to remove this skin.
I know how to do it.
Yeah, he know how to do it.
He's an expert.
Unatoa hii?
Yeah.
Aye, yukweli zikirurwa hivyo.
So guys, let me try to do this.
Acha kongo kako nyonga.
But I'm placing this one.
Anyi ngwai.
So guys,
tulete ukondo.
Like this. You see now it's moving. Yeah, you do it like this one. So you remove the white part.
The white part only.
The white part now.
Mbona unatoa hapo na ijakuwa na inatoka vizuri?
If imepata like the smoke.
Oh, ikipata tu smoke.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just simple.
Yeah. Geuze.
Okay.
Just simple like this.
Itakuji itoke nyama yote.
Place this one. Let me try and remove this one.
Kindly guys, we are here preparing the birenge. We call it the woofs. Do you know the birenge? Now, stew, we are going to do the stew. Sindio?
Yes, soup.
Ni soup. Yeah, soup. What's your name?
My name's Lazy Signal.
Yeah.
I'm here supporting you.
Not busy signal.
Not.
Lazy.
I'm lazy.
Lazy, yeah, just lazy.
I'm lazy.
And a signal. Kindly guys, is lazy and a signal. You know signal here, we know.
And the signal.
Yeah, we know the signal is something. Signal ni signal kama ya antenna. It's found in an antenna.
Yeah.
Or which signal do you mean?
The one like the DSTV.
Oh, okay. Yeah, zoni tunapata aje kuni sasa? Aya, nipe panga nikuonyeshe. Yes, so kindly guys, we are here with the lazy signal. Yes.
As we are supporting you.
Yeah.
So we are doing what we call how do we call it? We are roasting.
We are roasting. This roasting.
Roast.
Okay.
Then we remove the skin.
Yeah.
And then the white meat that is as you can see.
Yeah.
This is the white part.
The white part. We need all of it to be like this.
Yeah.
Then we'll subdivide this one.
Yeah.
Into 3 pieces.
3 pieces.
Yeah. From here.
From where? Yeah.
Check on. We shall divide.
Unajua unaweza kuwa YouTuber mzuri.
And then
jamaa. Akia Mungu. Yes. Yeah. I think the Bruno Sheriff is trying to advise him that he can be a very good YouTuber.
Yes.
So kindly our friend, you just start. Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, come and explain. You know why you running away?
You know how to explain.
Yeah, in fact, you know.
Now that we are trying to Bruno.
Yes.
Now that we are trying to roast it.
Yeah.
You see how it is black?
Yeah, it's very black.
You will do it. You will remove this the skin one.
Yeah.
You can see down here.
Okay, this is the part of skin.
This is the skin one.
Oh my
And
God,
guys,
look.
before you forget, here in the village, we don't throw anything.
We don't throw.
We don't throw anything, guys.
Yeah, why you we don't throw anything because everything here is food. Everything is food. Okay, let me bring for you some firewood.
Yes,
Yeah.
just put.
Can you play?
Sawa.
Okay, guys, so we are still in the process of removing the cow skin.
This one, you can check it.
We are in the process, guys. That's what we are doing. So we want the white part. The white part. That's what we need now.
Yes.
So like, okay, guys. Before I forget, we love you so much.
So much.
Yes, guys, for your support and everything. Here in the village, Kenya, East Africa. Kenya, East Africa.
Oh. Okay, guys. In fact, we are here just preparing for lunch. You know, my friend, I've come here now.
Yeah.
We have to celebrate, guys. We have to celebrate and eat this birenge, guys. Do you know birenge? Birenge? Hey, unanana. Oh boy, no.
Birenge.
Itu nataka kutemera kari na pesa hizo kumkunya tu msu.
Asigo buya. Moruru hano was
Guys, it's a process. It's a process, guys.
It's a
not
very
like
big process.
But very soon we are going to show you our soup.
Our soup.
We are not going to cook ugali. I don't know. Are we going to cook ugali?
Mokitaka.
We will cook.
Okay, we will cook ugari. You know we can't eat without ugari.
Yeah.
Just a small ugari.
Yes.
Yeah, and we.
As guys, as you can see, bring the camera. You can see my t-shirt is written Tanzania.
Tanzania.
We are near TZ.
In
very
fact,
near, very near TZ.
You know, from here to Tanzania,
Yeah.
in short, is just 2 kilometers.
Yes, 2 kilometers.
just
Very close.
It's very close. So we are in a border.
Yes.
We are in a border. This tall man here from Africa, in fact, guys,
He's a Kenyan giant.
I'm very tall, guys.
hey, you are like, who is called?
I'm sheriff. I'm sheriff in town.
Yeah,
Sheriff in town. Or sheriff in the village. Goliath.
Goliath. You know,
Oh,
you know the
Gen Z-
height of this Bruno Sheriff
Yes.
and the Gen Z Goliath.
Gen Z Goliath.
It's coming to be same.
Yes.
Oh boy, no,
And I'm still young, guys. I'm growing.
Man,
I'm
no
still young.
kanore.
I'm still young.
No, okava omotambe buko.
Iganore.
Eh,
Nandre bado.
no mwenge.
Yes, guys. This is how we are doing it.
Kasi no TikTok.
Kindly, guys, look how we have put it, yeah? Tumezivundisha, guys, you know?
Yeah.
And today, I don't know what can I eat so that nikuwe njaa sana. Esirero ni nyumusuri kono, wase noka nyosa. Okay, this is how we put it. You know there is a fire here. Yeah, as you can see, everything is doing all right.
Yeah.
So we are giving around how many minutes?
Less than 40 minutes.
Less than 40 minutes.
Yeah, less than 40 minutes.
To put in to boil.
Yeah.
To boil it.
And again, these are means of transport that we
Yeah.
came to see the American boy.
We call it kinyambilis.
Yes, these are kinyambilis.
These are Kinyambis.
These are kinyambilis.
This is a
Means of
Kinyambis.
transport today, guys. Yes.
Kinyambis.
That's our means of transport, guys, today.
Ebu leta jokes ya hii.
Very tough.
Guys, you know, this time, guys, got lost.
Yeah?
Or
got
is,
lost.
No, me I think is you put inside here fuel and you have.
This now I'm calling
you
it
have
like a
put-
preserver. Now I'm pouring fuel inside this stuff. It goes some holes
over the end.
yeah,
the end.
some holes.
Okay.
So when I'm driving, so the
Yeah.
fuel drops.
But I think this thing is mnyama, guys.
Yeah.
Inatoka say.
Ebu wawashie mara moja. Wasikie mlio. Ebu wasikie mlio.
Nisaidie tu kiende. Acha tu testing, guys.
Yes.
Hizi-
You listen how the mnyama is ngurumari.
Put in the glass.
Kumbe hii ni nini nafanya?
have some
guys,
very,
you know,
very nice.
Yeah, very nice. But very know this thing here, inakunywa mafuta. Why?
It drinks a lot. It drinks a lot.
Na cheddar, bro.
Yes.
Tariya masense. Yeah. Look, very nice mnyama here. In fact, I love this motorbike.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh. Napanga ya kutoa hizo pikanyagero. Okay.
Unajua kuzitoa?
Sijui.
Haya pole.
Mimi nimeona vile umenanga.
Za kununua. Okay guys, here kindly as you can see. Yeah, we have already, you know, there is some, you know, I was not having a full charge. So my phone immediately went off, guys. So that's why you have not see how I cut it in parts, but yeah, I'm going to show them how it's boiling. Yeah. So kindly, the work here is ongoing. You know, the main work here is what? How we prepare the birenge, the wolf, and how we eat them. Don't ever throw the birenge, guys. This Maxwell. Sema hi.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, they are okay. This is the sheriff here.
Yes, guys. I'm trying to, like, I'm thirsty.
You are thirsty because of
there's a lot of sun.
A lot of sunny and a lot of work. You know, preparing the wolf. Is it wolf?
Yeah, the wolf.
It's very.
All of them, guys.
It's very hard. Yeah. Here we are cheering. So let me show you how it's boiled. How it's boiled. Endo turete muiko. Ama biheti bwangi.
And guys, imagine what we carry the 3 stones.
Yeah.
So that the sufuria can fix on.
Yeah, we can fix the sufurias. Look, because we look that this jiko is very less. Is not big.
That it could have taken a lot of time.
A lot of time. So we need many fire like this. Mori, tauro kiambe kaparo.
Nipo.
Hey.
Koyanda chene.
Yes, this is our soup, guys. Our soup. Is it soup? Kumbe soup ni soup too. Even in English. So that name soup come from the word.
Be careful, you can unaweza kanyanga hiyo kuni mumwage tena. Be careful.
Yeah, guys, look. Look. Yeah, the soup here is very prepared. You know, this soup you know is very. You know, kuna watu wengi wanapenda nini? Supu ya kirenge sana.
Hiyo ni bomba sasa. Hiyo sasa hiyo.
Yeah, this one here. You know, today guys, you stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. Yeah, the video here is very amazing. Reta Mogango. Maxi. Reta Mogango. Nyoribi heye. Yeah, DJ Zone is here. Great people.
Hello.
Yes, tell them that today is Birenge Day.
Birenge days.
Yeah, Birenge Day. Let. Zone yandu turete uko Tampla.
Hata kukunywa ziko naenda kuchukua.
Look guys, look. Eti hiyo flash. Hiyo utalala siku wiki. Hata unaweza kufa kama damu yako si eti ni strong. Hiyo unaweza kufa.
Sasa tunatoa idea. Kunywe.
Kwani tunasubiri? Si hizi tunakunywa. Raha ya hizi ni ukunywa supu kama umele. Yeah. Unakata hiyo steam. Sasa unataka tena ushibe ukunywe hiyo itatosha. Ukishakula hizi ukunywe. Nguma waja hiyo taste.
Kirenge inapanga vizuri na inajifomia nyama yenyewe.
Look guys. Very nice.
Unaona unauziwa 7
kama. You know guys, this one here. Hii ni kikoroto. Inaitwa aje step. The place which is stepping down, huh? Yeah, is this one here, guys. The foot. This is the foot, guys. Look.
Very delicious.
Very delicious. Look how the soup is very delicious.
One thing about the village, guys.
Yeah.
We don't like go to look for food in far places.
Yeah, we don't.
Yes.
We are just found it near us.
Yes.
It's near us. You see, guys, we are outside here in my compound. Very amazing compound. You know, I want just to plant a flower outside here, like inside my compound. Is it great, guys? Yeah, but right now here is Muniko the mrefu here. Wearing the Tanzania.
Our nearby country. This is our nearby country.
Tanzania.
Just like you told them, like 2 hours, 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers from here to Tanzania, guys, is just 2 kilometers. Very near. You can just walk even.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are in the border. But Tanzania is where Samia Suluhu is the president, guys. Mama Samia Suluhu. Yeah, here is Lakers.
Yeah.
You like
This is
Lakers?
Kim Rasta. I have juice.
Okay, this is water, guys. You know, we have to drink water. We have to drink water.
See, tell them this is the illicit brew.
Illicit brew.
And our means of transport.
Yeah, is here. Kinyambi. Kinyambi, guys, is here. So you have said we are going Nyanchab.
Yeah.
To see that.
After
Okay.
this, we must go.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, kindly look how things is here. Very nice, very nice.
I think now is a suitable time for us to add some salt inside, so that it can
Salt.
Yeah.
No need of salt. Salt you will put.
What of pepper?
You will put on yourself.
What of pepper?
What is pepper?
You could have brought pepper. We put inside.
Oh, piripiri.
We put in the soup.
Okay, let me look for pepper, guys. Pepper, para hoho, para hoho, para hoho. Eh? Oh. Ukweli. Acha tuweke hata moja eh. You know, guys, here we don't go to buy anything. Pepe is here at my shamba. I'm removing to my shamba direct. Not going to find the pepper anywhere. Yeah. You see how it's beautiful? So this is pepper. Guys, we can't put many of it. Hata tukiweka zote hazitatosha jumbe. Chenya karare komote kora ni Birenge maha.
Berekera tiom. Tayari kichinda.
Kanambe ni chincheru nari nacho. Nishikie hivi Max. Toa kidore. Ender. Imekoma. Mulika hapa nikiweka pepe. Mulika hapa. Yeah, so kindly, guys. Let me put the pepper. Pepper, you know, here in our village, pepper is a penalty. Yeah. So hii si penalty, sawa Max? Hii ni piripiri. Enda uleta piripiri hoho kweli. Sio tutakata kwa kachumbari. You know, we are not flying it. Yeah, we are not flying it. Zoni hajaleta tampona.
Sasa nikiwa hapa mambo ni faster.
Mambo ni faster.
Atungetafuta ile vitunguu ya matawi. Rushe tundani.
Wakaroche barabara kupika. Vile wanapikanga chakula zao.
Eh.
Wale machaini. Kama makarare, matunguu.
Zikishaiva sasa.
Hata hapo ndani tungepata cabbage. Tungepata zile kama cabbage makubwa zile nini. Tunaweza nunua pika cabbage ni kubwa.
Masukuma ziko.
Leta masukuma tu matawi mzima turushe ndani hivi na hivi. Unachukua tu tawi na guma. Yale matawi yenyewe.
Matawi yenyewe.
Matawi ya sukuma turushe.
Yaman. So here, hivi karangi kwa aire sebo togo tora. Let's put very natural leaves. Yes, receive we.
Receive sasa si lazima ifanywe ile
the gradients, sinataka nitoe tu sahi.
Oh.
Okay, the gradients is here, guys.
So guys, like let me hold the camera for myself.
Hold the camera.
Okay guys, as you can see, like we have like tomatoes, we have like this, we call it hoho, pilipili hoho, this pepper hoho, guys, pepper hoho.
Yeah.
We have like onion. This we have 2 onions, and we have like lemon. These are lemon.
Yes.
These are lemon. In Swahili we call it ndimu.
Ndimu.
And we have some knife for cutting onions.
Yeah,
some
knife. Show them.
A clean knife.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everything here is very
clean.
Look, my tomato.
Okay,
here.
the tomatoes we have them like we have like 15 of them.
Yeah,
Very many of them. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. Like our soup is like let's give Jamaican boy.
Yes.
We give our soup like how many minutes?
Let's a soup of birenge.
Bring the
Someone tell me that. Oh, nileta receive.
Yeah, bring the receiver.
Sitaiva sana ikue mpaka ikue.
Unaona hiyo supu imeanza kupungua. By the time birenge.
You just bring, we put the big leaves inside.
Okay.
So we can marinate, it can bring the taste of the nini. You see?
Yeah, let me bring it now.
Just come with it.
Yeah. So I'm here with DJ Zone. We want the receiver so that we can eat delicious. Hii inaitwa pumpkin. Yeah, these pumpkin leaves. Toa kabisa na si yenye nilikuwa ni acha tuweke receiver ndo natural. Hey.
Kama ngapi?
Toa receiver. Yeah, so we are removing here the pumpkin leaves so that we can mix we can put in our soup. Guys. Yeah, so that is enough. Yeah, let's go now and remove. You know the pumpkin leaves have the system. Iko na vile inafanywanga
I know how to do that thing.
You know it?
I'm a village boy.
Oh.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Nothing is that you are bringing. Bono umeleta kidogo my friend.
Niongeze ingine.
Ongeza mora.
Ukweli na inaweza hivi kuwe tamu
The recipe is available my friend.
Kidogo kama
Bring it.
Okay.
leta hiyo matawi.
Sukuma hivi
The
kweli.
recipe is there. So guys, this is what we call in our language. We call it a receiver. The pumpkin leaves. Very delicious. So we want to put it inside here so that it can boil with the soup.
It can be delicious.
Yeah. So we wanna
That's vitamin. We want vitamin from there.
You can see, so it's just green, as you can see it.
Yeah, very green.
Our village is so green, guys.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Okay, stay tuned, guys.
Make sure you comment.
Comment
Tell us about this video, the way it's going.
Yeah, comment, like and
Share, comment, guys, like and share. And guys, I told you, as long as you are Jamaican boy,
Yeah.
tell them something.
okay.
So long as you are Mandela's fan,
Jamaican boy.
Jamaican boy fan, guys,
Yeah.
I urge you guys, go there, search me, Bruno
Sheriff, kindly,
Yes.
guys.
Go subscribe, go comment, go watch my videos, guys.
Yeah, all
Yes.
video, guys.
Go watch all videos, guys.
Yeah, watch the video, guys. Kindly,
So,
the video is very amazing.
These are where we're doing it, guys. For us to
Okay.
prepare it, you do this one, you remove it like this,
Yeah.
then you come at this end, then you remove it like this.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm peeling it
So
to the end.
it's called the peeling.
This peeling now.
Okay.
Then you come at this point, you do this way. I was watching the way my mom was doing it.
Okay. Your mom, she usually cook the receiver.
Yeah, these are natural food. These
Yeah,
are
this
village
is
food.
natural, guys. Very natural.
We don't buy a lot of stuffs.
Yeah, look, guys.
Let's go to the shamba, then we bring.
Yeah, very natural. Very natural.
Very natural, guys. So today is like a party, not the.
Yeah,
It's not like
party,
it's like
a party. Today is a Birenge day. Birenge day, you know, is a party. Yeah, today is Birenge day. Birenge day is a. Let her receive zone. Let her receive.
Kama tulikula
hata recipe mwana.
Musireta yenye imekomaa sana.
Hata recipe sijui niko na miaka ngapi ndio iko recipe.
Yeah, guys, this how it's going. Watu wapiga shot. This how it's going.
Very wicked shot.
Very.
party.
So it's a party after party. Birenge day. Yeah, man.
Usitoe recipe ni kama.
Yeah, man. Yaani hizi zinauzwa na ni bei. Na hapa ni sukuma ba kunguri au si spinach.
Maliza alafu nipige picha na nichukue ni video nikitoa recipe au nipige picha.
Yeah, here chilling, waiting the soup. Here is DJ Zone. Yeah.
He's our DJ.
He's our DJ in the village, guys. This is the leaves pumpkin. Huh? Yeah, ama tulete ufa. Si ungesubiri kwanza Dimore, zikuwe zote turushe pamoja.
Wacha hizi vitu hivi.
Wanaomba ntarorokia kwa video la chitora. Acha tu.
Si unaona ndio maana nimepunguza moto. Itu taikatia tu hapo.
Kate bado ndani.
Acha kwanza Dimore. Basi ona.
Yeah,
now want to
cut in pieces.
add. Yeah, this is pepper.
No, like those are spices.
Oh, these are is called spices.
Yeah, they are spices. No, is it
pilipili
hoho but
easy hivi. Toa
is pepper hoho. Pepper hoho, guys.
Tarusie bibande bibere bino. Otore bino ku musuri.
Ino.
Batigire boye hekire bimena butiko. Yeah, so guys, kindly here. Yeah, we are adding the ingredients.
But tutoa vile nimetoa.
We are adding the ingredients, guys. Adding the ingredients in the birenge.
Alafu ona unatoa hii matai kama hii unachuna hivi unakauka. Sasa ulikuwa ni hivi tu wewe kutoa. Hadi hapa katikati ulitoa.
We are adding the ingredients.
Katikati uone watu waone. Ona.
Hadi hapo katikati hivi unafaa utoe. Hizo sasa ndio zinaruranga.
Nimeharibu.
Hiyo unakatia ndani.
Iko sawa Mura. Hii ni chakula ya kichini.
Mura.
Hii kitu tu tukulini sumu hapa.
Hata hakuna sumu inaingianga. Sumu ukishaweka kwa maji si sumu.
Kitu kimepita kwa moto.
Kwa moto.
Sumu na unaweza kufa.
Tunapanda ile ya emergency.
Panda hapo majirani wa kule iisha hata itaonekana. Nikikuwa hapo nita nani? Mimi niko na muda mtatu tu.
Sasa utaki kunywa supu? Yeah. Na mama sense katika mimi. Nimwagie maji hapo.
Teo sense ama sense. Chisaga bono.
Murante bigo musuri mpaka kwa green. Haki ya Mungu, natural. No chumvi, guys. No chumvi.
Only pepper.
Only pepper.
Only pepper and recipe.
Igamba kanyoyo musuri.
Nitupe mwikinya karichira bataki. Bado irongere. Ulinkula ndi chinyakara sasa sini umwe.
Only pepper and recipe.
Wow. This is how Birenge sigeuze.
Wacha kuzigeuza saa hizi hivi kwanza.
Zinaivia hivyo zote.
Wow. The Birenge here is very prepared. Very prepared.
Kama niko ile mashine.
Very prepared.
Zishaiva. Kama niko ile mashine.
Fungulia mashine
kwanza. Fungulia sasa.
Alafu
you know guys, I'm here with my friend. I'm here with the friends. Yeah, just parting the Birenge. Yeah, parting the Birenge. Showing you how we prepared the Birenge until it will be very nice. Very nice.
Wacha sasa niwaseke mashine.
Au nilete ufa.
Yeah.
Itafanya.
Leta ufa hapa. Ni nini mbaya na wewe? Wewe nyanya utakata zote.
Sasa ni ile mashine.
Bwana yarende hili bobe. Mashine nishaikulia. Kala keba mpaka na tantorisi mbabe.
Village boys cooking the Birenge, guys. Village boys cooking the Birenge.
Sasa hata wewe kile simuke yako ukinge pasuka.
Aliweka
kando. Itaaneka kwa mattress chini hivi kwa
penya na rara.
Kuchimba hiyo mbao. Alafu hii akaso si inaweza pasuka.
Hapo ni mpaka niche ni gora ya account. Ndakora mbele, unajua wazungu wanapendanga vitu kama hivi.
Vitu kama hizi juu hizi vitu kwa huko kwa hata wafaa.
Hawana, mtu ameishi tu town hivyo siku zote.
Mungu anasambiroroka.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, man.
Sisi unajua tulikuwa tumeweka kuni mbili ile side
mbili. Kata nyanya. Yeah, that's my mom. Katatu.
Toraganya. So guys, I'm here. I'm cutting some onions and some tomatoes.
Yes.
We are about to. I'm using this knife.
Katatu gonse toraganya.
Yeah.
Afadhali kabere.
So stay tuned. Watch this video till to the end. And guys, make sure you have commented. Yeah. Make sure you have commented.
I'm with the sheriff.
Yeah,
Bruno.
I'm sheriff of the village.
Yeah, you know here we are preparing the soup of Birenge, guys. Yeah, this as you can see. Yeah, we are in the village here right now. Kindly, very amazing, very amazing content here, guys. Kindly make sure you stay tuned. Watch till the end. The video is very amazing.
And the Jamaican boy.
Yes.
Don't cut anything. Just post this video.
Everything.
The way it is.
Everything.
Post it
no
the way it
cutting.
is.
No corner.
No cornering.
Yes. Mungu moja mbego ba haki ya Mungu ta. Den kama murengeria manchi muengeri sasi iko.
Manchi ngarata sagi.
Musurigo no singora acha go byomoke. Turacha tunyo gusuhe.
No moke.
Manchi ngarata.
Murantebe masepo kai.
Ma takoriga tatengeri jagirimo.
Irijagire mwe bene. Kori
ikiva manyiga yonto kagarusiri
amanyinyi tore.
Tore amanyinyi.
Kana manyinyi amaru ga hayo ntorengeri.
Nyore mure terebe amaru mwengeri.
Ntorengeri. Yes guys, you see.
Okay guys, that's our language.
Yeah, that's our language. That's how we communicate, guys.
Yes, we talk Korean. We are Koreans.
Yeah,
guys.
we are Koreans from East Africa.
When I tell you like how are you? Amangana gao, that's how are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Jambo,
that's now like
yeah. I'm the laziest signal.
Sasa zone hakuna zile sahani nyeupe zile kubwa hivi zenye tunaweza weka kachumbari yote.
Hizo ni vitunguu bali.
Hizi ni hoho.
Bana, by the way, unajua tupate ile simia kabisa. Unajua hizi vitu zinafaa mix. Mix pamoja.
Zipigwa na moshi bwana. Hiyo ni fresh.
Ona tambo ile tunuma herisani
Mtachi manya. Tarari Birenge.
Hata batararuga.
You know, we want to test this. We are going to eat right now.
Appetizer.
Yeah, this is the appetizer, guys. This is the pumpkin leaves. This is the pumpkin leaves. Yeah, this is the pumpkin leaves. Leta mwiko. Tamoreka hatuni mahekane go video ndaru. Tamoreka Birenge binova mahore biva.
Utakoma moyo.
Era mimi ngatutore musuli bani. Sinetule
Look guys. Very amazing. Village boys cooking Birenge.
This is an ordinary cooking.
Yeah, an ordinary cooking.
You wanna taste?
Yeah.
Kirege kitamwagika.
So
nini?
Like this.
Utakibana na hizi.
It's very hot.
Bring the camera
Very
to
hot.
my side.
Very hot.
Show them there.
No, so guys, you just put like a little bit of salt, then you just eat. Yeah.
To those who eat, to the vegetarians. Tatora musuri moyo.
Kote haro.
Sabato musuli. Redi jinyakara.
Muteya masebo haro mura tengo.
Ishaleta jagi.
Ishe no homere muni chumbeke hivi.
Bego ambe muracha monge korea wiki.
Ndio chano da cherero.
Mwaka supu hapo jagi.
Na mama
Yeah man. Yeah, so kindly guys, we have add water to make sure that the soup is very delicious. Very delicious. See here, look this. This is the pumpkin and the sebo inside here. Imeiva kama wanao. Hey Bruno, eka hapa juu.
Hizi bado zinatumika au nirudishe?
Hizo peleka ndani hizo.
Nyingine. Visoro.
Peleka hichi kibeseni.
Visoro.
Hicho kibeseni hichi gesoro.
Hizo vile tunapikia.
Hiyo limau iache.
Hizo vile tunapikia.
Nkumandi gandanywe hata abantu boyigotere. Tahira wentora asore.
Watch me. Kwa video.
Aya, nilikuwa nimesa. Alright, guys. Here, as you can see, yeah, we have reached the process. We have reached the process of cooking the ugari now. The ugari now here. Bruno is here. Sherry. Yeah, so kindly guys here, everything is going on. As you can see, we have received a sheriff and someone here was going. Yeah, come on and show them. Look the kerenge now here. Wapi kijiko ingine?
Kerenge.
Ona, enda waambie Dere. Oh, give me that getarabi. This getarabi. No, this ugari is good. For appetite. Yeah, look guys. This for my friend. Yeah. This is for my friend. Look. Wow. This is what you were seeing there when we were boiling it. Look. Very nice. We nani? Dere. Enda waambie kwa kupea sufuria tuwaeke birenge zao.
Sufuria
ugari iko sawa. Kupenda sahani.
Kwani mlipunguza maji?
Sasa unajua unafaa mlete plate.
Yeah man, acha ameenda kuleta. So here, vamori.
So here,
yeah man. This ugari, we call it maize flour cake. We call it flour cake, guys. Flour cake. Yeah, the bibakuri is here. Hey, bring the bibakuri. Ukuna pause. Ugari iko nice, very nice. Very wow. Ona Bruno.
Ugari hauna jina. Ugari hauna jina ya Kiingereza.
Gawa hizo birenge mbili kuja hapa. Mbili zibaki tukule.
Nigoe mbili aje. Mlikuwa mnakata ngapi ngapi?
Zilikuwa 4.
Bitachero. You know here you can't cook with the 2 hands. We cook with the 1 hand, guys.
That I was preparing, guys. Now when it's ready, it looks like this stuff.
Yes.
So let me try and Umesema 4.
Look guys, look the kerenge here. Very delicious. Yeah. Virenge mbili hapa. Mbili wacha hapa. Unajua mbili?
Hivyo.
Hizi zinafaa zikuwa
tuongeze hii. Mbona ongeze moja?
Nimekuambia, virenge mbili. Si ng'ombe iko na virenge ngapi?
Ina haja. Wewe tuweke tu nyama. Nyama zimetosha ni sawa.
Haya, eka basi. Eka zingine. Ichinyicha butiko mura. Maxi. Eka hiyo ya kukanyaga. Kuja. Haya, waekea supu sasa. You want to balance, guys. Balance. Yes. You know, as a cook, you have to balance, right? Yeah, Dere. Yeah. Sisa umalizie hapo.
Sasa plate yake.
Plate hakuna. Ni ugari na kerenge kila mtu. Si ni kerenge moja jamani.
Kerenge moja. Na pilipili zenye kiwango cha yule.
Hizo mimi.
Hizo wesa acha ukari kiiva.
Like mlete maji basi hata kuna mkono. Hika ya mancheka hiyo.
Chukua hizi birenge upeleke huko. Tabengeri umusuri. Hata iko toroyesa tunyogotame. Peleka hii. Kana ni abantu mbare igote. Haya peleka hizi. Peleka hiyo. Unine ekerenge hano nare kemu.
Kwa vile nini?
Ende tunigo.
Uweke kwa ile nini? Ogo.
Imekuwa mingi.
Ona gawa kwa isa.
Ona gawa hapa.
Sasa hii.
Sasa. Hiyo kunywa, hiyo soup, the soup. Mwanze na supu jamani, msisubiri watu wa kunywa supu. Watu wa kunywa supu. Kujeni.
Kuja na maji.
Kujeni sasa mkunywa supu.
Kunawa nani?
Ona hizi tambo au zimeisha kazi.
Kujeni sasa mkunywa supu. Yes guys, you know, yeah, today is Birenge Day here in village. Birenge Day. Yeah man. Unyonyaga gala. Yes, I'm here with Derek Merama Kemwitu Kemongo. Yeah, just cooking.
Bring that ugali.
Sibohe ye Mungu moja. Dei hora bono. Unene mobu kima bono borenge obuhiyo igomba ko hibyara. Ebu utaka kwa isani.
Muhimu nini?
Eka kwa isani.
Ona. Leta maji.
Peleka unga Max.
Leta maji.
Peleka unga. Alafu maji ya kunywa zone. Kumbusha hapo zone maji.
Hata wajitokea.
Omuntu no rachu yorari nyakarare mura. Musuri hogore. Check it. The cooked flour cake. Yo man. This is the kerenge now guys. Yeah, the kerenge is here. Nadhani tupige ta.
Pilipili unipasulia hapa kama zote.
Uninta hapa.
Mwenye akuli usiweke kwa kachumbari. Nani akule pilipili?
Chumvi tena mmepeleka.
Unakula pilipili kwa?
Leta kisu nisaidie hiyo kisu kama ipo hapa.
Kana nyumbani tutakuita baadaye.
He's telling the dog that go. No, come. I don't want to be a jealous. Kuja. Come. And not jealous. Is how is it called?
Jealous kiwivu.
Hey, how is it called? Uchoyo inaitwanga aje? Selfish.
Yeah.
Kainora lewe.
Yeah, yani tumefika tamati. Look.
The place are
Look, this is all the ugali. Look.
Our kerenge guys is finished.
Kwani hii imeisha?
Bado inaendelea hiyo.
Ni yako. Acha tuone hii nani alikuwa nayo.
Ya nani haja mari.
Ati watu mmoja kuli nyama.
Pero mutanyi misuri.
Mutaacha mwebe sese no nitutulie gasi.
Kama kuaga no gonzo.
Sisi no boni kiko tata kwa.
Ni otoka kuri.
Ana bado akandikura.
Ndenga nyumba.
Kandenga sana. Sisi kwanza kule amba kicho.
Yo tameremba kane, you know, we are saying that the dog is here. Look, the dog is here. So this all food which have remained is for this dog, but na inyova.
Don't fear.
Yeah.
Bring.
Yeah, yataka viao.
Etaka harusi bwa. Jamani, kunyweni supu ishe. Ndego supu nerenge kwa sene yako. Kama tana magoro tokore. Tota hakuna imeisha. So we are in the final touches. Final touches guys.
Kano gichoka ni ekegi kana. Musi gichoka ni icha.
Ma mpaka ntamere n'obukima. Hii ugali wafuate pia.
Nenda umpelekee nyumbani tu mweke.
Hii ugali tutakula jioni bwana. Chakula imekosa.
Samaki mbili.
Hakuna chakula. Tangu hiyo gigoroki. Mama gutaga wansere kuhomoka.
Sande boneke.
Nikumbire.
Imesonga. Ukapoteza mfuniko. Alafu mbona airing ni mjifunga.
Ona yeke dabu bura. Dada yo sana. Metuone.
Zon.
Alafu itege.
I'ma see you alive. Seme lola.
Nikafikiria nitoke nje.